everyone! It's Baby Truck's birthday, so we're having a party! And I've invited Baby Truck's heroes, Fiona Fire Truck and Dandy!
Zoinks! That's Fiona's emergency alarm! Sorry, Baby Truck. We have to go. Someone needs our help!
Poor Baby Truck. She wants to help Fiona and Dandy and be a hero just like them.
Don't worry, Baby Truck. They'll be back. It's your birthday, so... Vamos de fiesta!
Spinning screwdrivers! Your balloon is stuck in that tree!
Leave this to the cat.
Be careful, Cat! It's a long way up!
Ay de mí! And a long way down!
Don't worry, Cat! We'll get you down! Oh, but how? Oh, if only Dandy and Fiona were still here. Oh, I have a plan! But we'll need your help, Baby Truck. If I attach a ladder to your roof, you could reach Cat like a fire truck! What tools do we need? Drill! Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! First, we need to drill some holes through the ladder for the bolts. Then, we secure the extendable ladder in place by tightening the bolts with my wrench. There, ready to rescue!
Hurry, porfa!
Baby Truck, reverse up to the tree and we'll extend your ladder. You can do this, Baby Fire Truck! Steady now. Brave Baby saved Cat from the tree, just like a real fire truck.
Muchas gracias. You're my hero.
And our hero too! This calls for a special birthday present! For such a daring rescue, I'm awarding you a Hero's Medal for birthday bravery!
We needed a hero when Cat got stuck, and it was our friend Baby Fire Truck. Goodbye, everyone. Let's dance. Hello, everyone. We're making a special pie for Grandma to thank her for all she does for us. The Gecko family's secret recipe. First, we make the pastry. Hello, dears. Grandma's here. Spinning screwdrivers. Grandma's here early. I'll distract her while you finish making the pie. Grandma! We weren't expecting you so soon.
I couldn't wait to see you all.
Perfect timing. I really need your help with, Tilly.
Of course, Gecky. But where are my mini metal ones? I must say hello.
No time! Tilly is very, sick.
Oh, Tilly. Let me look at you, dear. Tilly's engine is running smoothly and her oil tank is full.
Maybe check her exhaust. Great job, Mex. Now quickly, tidy up before Grandma sees.
Well, Tilly seems absolutely fine, Gecky. But are you okay?
Oh, no! The power in the garage is down, and the oven can't finish cooking the pie!
What pie?
Oh, we wanted to make a special surprise pie to say thank you for all you do for us.
Oh, my darlings, how lovely. Don't worry. Every problem has a solution. We just need some ideas.
We'll use the dynamo to generate electricity and power the oven.
Yes! Right spot, my Gecko.
What tools do we need? Screwdriver. Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. As Miles's wheel rotates, it will turn this dynamo, which creates electricity as it spins.
Yee-haw! Now we're cooking. I can't wait to try some delicious pie. Well done, little ones. I can see you've used the most important ingredient of all, love.
Our grandma is special, and that is why our gesture of love is baking a pie. Goodbye, everyone.
What's in this pie?
Hello, everyone. Today, the mechanicals are in garage school, where they learn lessons in mechanics. Baby Truck's engine was making a clicking sound, and that meant her starter motor needed replacing. So what did we do, Mex? We disconnected the battery, unbolted the old starter motor, then bolted in the new one before reconnecting the battery. And now Baby Truck's engine is all fixed. Oh, it sounds like someone's here. Hello, Fiona. Hi, Dandy.
Oh, Gecko! Fiona's wipers aren't working, which means we can't see properly in the pouring rain.
Don't worry, Dandy. We'll fit Fiona with new wipers right away. Next garage school lesson, replacing windscreen wipers.
Can I join garage school too, please, Gecko? But I haven't done my homework.
It's okay, Dandy. We can all learn and work together. Now, first, we unscrew the old wipers using a
screwdriver! Here you go, Gecko.
Thanks, pal. All fixed. Well done, everyone.
Oh, thanks, Gecko. I love garage school. That's the emergency alarm, which means someone needs our help. We have to go. Goodbye, friends. Oh, no. Fiona's engine won't start. Oh, it's not working.
Mex, can you hear that clicking sound? Exactly, Mex. The sound means Fiona needs a new starter motor. But you know how to do this fix. Don't worry, Mex. I'll be right here if you need me. You can do it. What tools do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to disconnect the battery. Detach the cable carefully. Great job, Red. Now unbolt the old starter motor. That's it, Yellow. Now to bolt in the shiny new starter motor. Make sure it's nice and tight with the wrench, Yellow. Finally, reconnect the battery, Red. Now, Dandy, start the engine.
OK, Gecko. Hooray! It worked! Thanks for saving the day, Mechanicals! You're our heroes!
You fixed Fiona at garage school and showed that learning is super cool. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're having a sleepover with Grandma and Miles, who stopped by to change Miles's worn-out wheels. But that can wait until the morning. It's bedtime now, Red. Grandma is going to read us a story.
When Princess Truck arrived at Lullaby Castle, she was very sleepy.
Your stories are the best, Grandma.
So Princess Truck dimmed her headlights and... Time to change Miles's wheels. They're all worn out. It's fixing time. Is it morning already?
Snoring screwdrivers! Grandma's sleepwalking!
I'll attach Miles's new wheel with this screwdriver.
That wheel is far too big for Miles. Whoa! Oh, whoa!
Where did I put that wheel?
We need to get Grandma back to bed and find Miles some new wheels.
This fix is very cozy.
Thanks, Yellow. Aha! These wheels will fit you, Miles. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we put the wheel in place. Then we use the drill wrench's electric power to tighten the nuts. So it's fixed on securely. You fixed those wheels tonight after all, Red. But now it really is bedtime. Again. Good morning, Grandma.
Morning, Gecky.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I had the strangest dream last night. I was trying to replace Miles's worn-out old wheels. And suddenly, I was rolling about on roller skates. Ah, Miles. Whoa! Such shiny new wheels. Where did those come from?
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'm repairing the tow hitch on Trevor the Tractor's trailer. And sounds like the mechs are having fun playing with Cat.
Found you, little cuties.
Nuts and bolts. Careful, Blue.
Ready for another round of hide-and-seek mechanicals?
Have fun. But stay inside the garage, please, mechs. We don't want to lose you.
Get ready to hide again, mechanicals. Uno, dos, tres. Ocho, nueve. Yes! Ready or not, here I come!
Hey, Trevor. Your trailer's fixed. Let me hitch it up for you. All done. See you soon.
Gecko, I can't find Green. We've looked everywhere in the garage, but I still haven't found her.
Let's check my mech finder gadget to be sure where she is. This shows us where the mechs are. Spinning screwdrivers! Green's dot is moving! But where is she going?
Vamos, Gecko. It will be easier to track Green from the air.
Green, stop moving. We're getting close. Cat, prepare for a landing at Trevor's farm. Sorry to bother you, Trevor, but we're looking for...
Oh, no, Trevor!
Oh, that was a nasty fall. Don't worry, pal. We'll get you back on your wheels. Cat, could we use Helena's winch to help Trevor up?
Claro que sí. We're on it.
Oh, I'm so glad we found you, Green. But now we have to help Trevor. We need to re-bolt your exhaust pipe. What tools do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. To fix your exhaust pipe, we'll use big strong bolts to hold it tight. Righty-tighty. And we're all done.
Oh-ho!
It's kind of you to say sorry to Trevor, Green. I know you didn't mean to hide so far away. But just remember, rules aren't meant to spoil your fun. They help keep the game safe for everyone.
Hey, Green. How about the ride home in Helena?
Goodbye, everyone! What about me? Hello, everyone. Today, the mechs are going for a flight in their flying machine.
Wow, it's even more estupendo than I remember.
Don't forget, Mechanicals. Flying is fun, but everybody has an important job to do in order to stay safe. I would come with you, Blue, but I have to change Tilly's battery today. You'll have lots of fun with Cat.
Helena and I will be right beside you the whole time.
Ready to fly? 3, 2, 1, go, Mechanicals! Now, let's get this battery changed. Hey, Tilly?
You're doing great, Mechanicals. Ay, Mia! The Mechanicals have broken their controls. Hola, Mechanicals. Stay calm and follow my instructions. If the joystick and cables are broken, you need to grab hold of the loose cables to steer. When you pull down on the left side, the machine will steer left. And same with the right. Now hold on tight. It will take a little longer to get home than planned.
There you are, Tilly. A brand new battery. But the mechs and Cat still aren't back. How's it going up there, Cat? Over?
We're almost home, Gecko, but the Mechanicals broke their controls.
Spinning screwdrivers! How will they land safely?
I can help them, but it's getting dark and we can't see where to land.
Head for the garage, and I will find a way to help you get back on the ground, over and out. How can we help the mechs find us in the dark? I've got it! We can power those lights with Tilly's battery to make a runway. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Now, if I wire these lights into Tilly's battery with my screwdriver and then turn on her engine, we have a runway to guide the mechs home.
Magnifica! Now, mechs, gently decrease your height and steer towards the runway. That's it. Nearly there.
Well done, Mechanicals! What a landing! And thank you, Cat.
No problema, cuties. Great runway, Gecko and Tilly.
By working together and staying calm, we help the mechs land without any harm. Now, I better fix that joystick right away. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today we're at the construction site. Green, Red and I are fitting Dylan with new tyres. Oh, careful, Yellow. These tyres are very big and heavy. I think Eric would like to play too. Can he join your game, please? Oh! Ah! Oh! Watch it! Ah! Oh! 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 Look out, Red! Spinning screwdrivers! We have to stop that tyre before it hurts someone. Well spotted, Yellow. It's headed towards Cat's base. I've got to warn her.
Come in, Gecko. Over.
Cat! There's a giant runaway tyre headed your way.
See? The tire is here. Oh, no. It's gone again. I'll follow the wheel in Helena. We can try to catch it with a net.
A net. Great idea. Uh-oh.
I meant to catch the tire, not you.
No problem, Cat. It's hard to catch a moving target with a moving net. We need to find another way. That's it, Yellow. We'll bash the tyre into the net like a hockey goal. Look out for the tyre from the air, please, Cat. We have to get back to the construction site. I have a plan to catch that tire. Eric, you'll be the hockey stick. And Dylan, you'll be the goal. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll attach the net to this frame to create a giant goal. Then bolt it tight to Dylan's bucket.
Come in, Gecko. The tire is rolling towards the construction site.
Bouncing brake pads. This is it. Ready, Eric? Ready, Dylan? Let's do this. Steady. Steady. Now, Eric! He shoots. He scores!
Koala!
Eric's used to digging holes, but he's just as good at scoring goals. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's Christmas! And we're at Kat's base to help decorate her tree.
I think it looks better on the tree.
Have patience, Yellow. We'll need a ladder to help us put the star on top of the tree.
I have a ladder inside, Gecko. Can you help me carry it, porfa?
Nuts and bolts! Yellow's a shooting star! Cat, we have to catch her!
Vamos, Gecko. We'll take Helena.
Oh, hello, Yellow. Oh, no, hang on!
Flying fog lamps! It's Santa! Yellow, you're safe! Thank you, Santa. We're very glad you're here. Over.
And I'm very glad to see you too, Gecko. My sleigh won't fly straight. Can you help fix it? Over.
Of course, Santa. Cat, I need a closer look. Can we hover above the sleigh? I'll use Helena's winch to lower myself down. Gosh, it's windy up here. I see the problem, Santa. The left booster is holding on by one bolt. I'll need to reattach it.
Hello, Gecko. It's usually me who's dropping in on others. Ho, ho, whoa!
I need to fix that rocket booster fast. What tools do I need? Wrench. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. I'll reattach the loose rocket booster with these bolts and tighten them with my wrench. Righty, tighty. Oh, yes!
Hurrah, Gecko! What a team! Thank you for saving Christmas.
Thank you for saving Yellow.
Oh, jingle bells, is that the time? Must fly. I need to deliver presents to all the children. I almost forgot your presents.
Feliz Navidad!
A Christmas miracle happened tonight, and we fixed Santa's sleigh in mid-flight. Goodbye, everyone, and Merry Christmas!
Oh! Merry Christmas!
Hello, everyone. Today we're at Trevor's farm to enjoy some delicious homemade lemonade.
I love lemonade!
We've brought our own special metal straws.
Oh, Trevor, it's delicious! Thank you.
Trevor collects rainwater in that tank to water the trees. When the lemons are ripe, they're picked and squeezed and made into lemonade. Oh, Green, it's the lemons that need squeezing, not the trees.
don't worry. Dandy's the chap to turn off that tap.
Soggy screwdrivers! The leak has made it so muddy that it's too slippery to reach the tap.
Oh no! Trevor needs this water for his crops to grow.
You're right, Dandy. We can't let it leak away. Let's think of a plan. That's it, Blue. We'll use suction to collect the water, like a giant straw.
Oh, yes, Gecko! But how?
With a little adjustment to your hose. If that's okay, please, Fiona. Oh, thank you. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The pump motor on Fiona's hose makes the water flow outwards. But if we reverse the motor, the hose will suck water back up into Fiona's tank.
Ready to go with the flow, Gecko! It's working! Well done, Fiona. You saved every last drop possible.
Fiona's tank is almost full. Now it's time to refill Trevor's tank.
All done, Trevor. Your tank is full again. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
By working together, the precious water was saved. Now Trevor's lemons can grow to make more lemonade. Goodbye, everyone.
Maybe we could fill Fiona's tank with lemonade.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're all collecting litter that can be recycled and used again.
But recycling is so boring.
Great idea, Mama. Let's have a recycling race. Whoever collects the most litter wins the trophy.
Huh? A race, you say? Now we're talking. Ah!
How about we work together to pick up litter? Then we'll collect more. Great job, everyone. Keep going.
Faster, Sly. I need that trophy.
Mummy Truck is full already. Let's get back to Mama Recycle.
Come on, Sly. We have to beat them.
Oh, what's that noise? Are you okay, Mummy Truck?
Move aside. We have a race to win.
Oh, no. Mummy Truck has a can stuck in her wheel. We have to remove it before we can continue. But I don't have a jack to lift Mummy up and remove her wheel.
I have a jack you can use, Gecko.
Nuts and bolts. Yes, please, Mr. Weasel. That would be a great help. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we loosen these bolts and remove the wheel. Pull the can out, please.
Dirty.
We can recycle that. Now retighten the wheel. And we're ready to race again. Thank you, Mr. Weasel. Mr. Weasel?
Where's my recycling?
Now it's our turn to help you.
Really?
Well done, everyone! We collected so much recycling today.
But Mummy Truck has the most. That means I lost the race.
There are no losers, Mr. Weasel. We collected so much because everyone worked together. Caring for our planet is important and fun. To keep it clean and green for everyone. Goodbye.
Does that mean I can take this home?